Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best CD decor is probably one of the most versatile and eye-catching ways to add a unique touch to your living space, transforming ordinary discs into stunning pieces of art that reflect your personality and style. Whether you're looking to create a retro vibe, a modern statement, or a personalized gift, CD Decor offers an accessible and creative outlet for DIY enthusiasts and interior design lovers alike, proving that even discarded items can be given a new lease on life with a little imagination and effort. This guide will walk you through the exciting world of CD Decor, highlighting its potential to elevate any room with its shimmering, reflective qualities and endless customization possibilities. Number 5. Yintiny Rechargeable Leather CD Player. Rediscover your favorite music with this beautifully crafted rechargeable CD player. Its elegant leather design adds a touch of sophistication to any room. Stream your music wirelessly from any Bluetooth-enabled device. Enjoy seamless connectivity and high-quality audio without the hassle of wires. Experience rich, immersive sound directly from its integrated speakers. Perfect for creating a relaxing atmosphere or enjoying your music on the go. Looking for a unique and thoughtful gift? This player makes an ideal present for music lovers and those who appreciate fine design, especially for festivals. More than just a music player, it's a stylish addition to your home decor. Its classic white finish complements any interior design. Enjoy hours of playback with its long-lasting rechargeable battery. Take your music with you wherever you go, hassle-free. What we like? This one offers ultimate portability with its rechargeable battery. It also features built-in speakers and a Bluetooth transmitter for a seamless wireless experience. If you're looking for a versatile player that can be used anywhere, from a picnic to a cozy evening at home, this is a great choice. What people say. Sound quality is very acceptable. Easy to use and the vintage record player style is super cute. Portable and lightweight. It's wireless, easy to plug in, but needs recharge fairly often. So cute, nice size, portable, good audio. The two-way Bluetooth transmission is very useful because I can connect the CD player to my soundbar via Bluetooth for better audio, or connect my phone to the CD player as a portable speaker to play songs which I don't have the CDs for. Also love the design. Number 4. CARONSORT Retro Portable CD Player with Speakers. Introducing the CARONSORT CD Player, a perfect blend of nostalgic retro design and modern functionality. Enjoy your favorite music with its rich, enhanced sound quality. This device offers multiple ways to listen. Play CDs, stream via Bluetooth, tune into FM radio, or use the USB port. It's designed to fit all your audio needs. Experience deep bass and clear treble thanks to its sealed wooden cabinet. You can easily adjust the sound to your preference with the included remote control. Stream music from your phone to this player using its Bluetooth input. Alternatively, use it as a standalone Bluetooth speaker for your other devices. Designed for everyone, its user-friendly controls make it incredibly easy to operate. Enjoy your music without any hassle, whether you're young or elderly. Enjoy crystal-clear hi-fi stereo sound for all your audio, from music to audiobooks. It supports a wide range of formats, ensuring compatibility with your entire collection. What we like? This player boasts a beautiful retro wood design that adds a touch of vintage charm to any space. Its enhanced bass feature provides a rich audio experience, and it's incredibly versatile with multiple playback options. If you appreciate classic aesthetics and superior sound quality, this is the one for you. What people say. This multifunction CD player supports CD, Bluetooth, USB, FM radio, and AUX modes, all controlled easily with the included remote. The sound quality is impressive, enhanced by the sealed wooden cabinet and bass boost feature, which lets you fine-tune treble and bass for richer audio. The top-loading design gives it a vintage record player vibe while staying compact and portable. Setup is simple, and the buttons are clearly labeled, making it ideal for both kids and seniors. This is a solid product. I still buy CDs. For me, CDs are still the best format, so I picked this up primarily to play my collection. I have a bunch of old, scratched-up discs, and this player handled every one of them without a problem. It played straight through to the final track with no skipping at all, which honestly impressed me. Number 3. Flutesan Blank CDs for DIY Crafts. Get a pack of 30 clear CDs, perfect for all your crafting needs. Each one is about 4.72 inches in diameter, giving you plenty to work with for any project. Crafted from quality PC material, these discs are built to last. Their smooth, polished edges make them ideal for painting and handmade decorations, not for actual CD players. These transparent discs are a blank canvas for your imagination. Draw, paint, or add stickers to create unique designs that reflect your personal style. Transform any space with these versatile discs. They're perfect for themed parties like disco or 80s music, holidays, birthdays, and more, adding a festive touch. Decorating is a breeze, and if you make a mistake, simply wash it off with water or a damp cloth. This makes them reusable and saves you time and effort. Hang them on your wall or string them together to create eye-catching decor for your living room or bedroom. They add a unique aesthetic to any room. What we like. This offers endless possibilities for personalization with its clear, blank surface perfect for DIY crafts and painting. You get a generous quantity, making it ideal for group projects or extensive decorating. If you love to get creative and want to add a unique, artistic touch to your walls or party decor, these are perfect. What people say. The plastic was good quality and we pulled off a successful experiment. These were great for paint and permanent marker. They were used to make sun catchers. They work perfect and fit in CD cases great. Number 2. Beistle 90s CD plates, set of 16. Remember the 90s? These plates bring that old-school vibe to your next celebration. Perfect for birthdays and anniversaries, they add a touch of retro tech fun. Get ready to party like it's 1999. This set includes 16 paper plates, each measuring 9 inches across. They're the ideal party supply for any 90s-themed event. Featuring a cool CD design, these plates are perfect for a tech-themed party. They're a fantastic way to decorate and add a unique touch to your 1990s celebration. Coordinate these with other items from our 90s collection, like the floppy disk napkins or the I Love the 90s centerpiece. Create a totally tubular party atmosphere. Since 1900, Beistle has been dedicated to helping you celebrate life's moments. We create fun, high-quality products designed to make your parties unforgettable. These plates are made from quality paper, ensuring they are both stylish and functional for your guests. They're a great addition to any retro-themed gathering. What we like. These are designed specifically for a 90s-themed party, adding an authentic retro vibe. They are convenient paper plates, making cleanup a breeze after your event. If you're planning a nostalgic 90s bash or need fun, themed tableware, these are a fantastic addition. What people say. The product is very easy to assemble. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with various decor styles. It functions exactly as described, providing great utility. Number 1. Mini ZOZI 7-inch blank vinyl records. Elevate your space with our 7-inch blank vinyl records. This pack of 10 brings a vibrant, indie aesthetic to any room. Each record features a different color pattern on each side, offering versatile decorative options. The colors vary from pack to pack, ensuring a unique look. Ideal for vintage retro art and music-themed parties, these add an artist's touch. They're perfect for disco, hip-hop, or any retro music enthusiast. Crafted from actual vinyl, not just cardboard, these discs are durable and suitable for various craft projects. Please note, no covers are included. We prioritize your satisfaction. If you're not completely happy with your purchase, we offer a 100% money-back guarantee, no hassle. What we like. These fake vinyl records are perfect for creating an indie or vintage aesthetic in your room. They come in colorful packs and are ideal for wall decor, adding a cool, artistic flair. If you're aiming for a specific music-themed vibe or want to easily enhance your living space with a retro touch, consider these. What people say. Super cute for decorating my daughter's room. The quality was great and exactly what I was looking for. Arrived quickly and cute kids decor. Very good quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.